And when I found Coupler, I realized I didn't need to test any others because it was perfect. It made life very, very easy for me. It took around about 2 hours to implement. Coupler saved at least 1 hour per day. But yes, if you're looking to automate and combine reports from multiple pieces of software in one place, Coupler is exactly what you need. I founded the company Jenkins and Co. In 2023, and I've been, I suppose, managing director since then. We are an outsourced finance team, so we are not accountants, but we will do a lot of similar services, and we'll work closely with our clients, with our clients' accountants. I wanted to be able to download Xero reports on a daily basis into SharePoint without my team having to manually do it. We can do that in Excel and Power Query. If the specific team member didn't know exactly how to do it and needed that specialism, it would take extra time to get to what we needed. The only other platforms I considered were largely doing it manually. And when I found Coupler, I realized I didn't need to test any others because it was perfect for what I needed. With largely the simplicity of the platform and the reliability of the automation, it's very easy to test and make sure that you're getting the data that you need. And it meant that I didn't have to try and link 3 different softwares. I could just rely on one. I tested some of the data flows and the transformations, which was relatively similar to Power Query's interface, just to see what could be automated. And it made life very, very easy for me. It took around about 2 hours to implement. Admittedly, I had fun playing around with it for a few more hours, but that facilitated our report downloads, which were then put into action the next day. So it's very straightforward. Based on the number of automated reports that we've implemented for our clients now, I'd estimate Coupler saved at least 1 hour per day. And with the more clients that we've got coming on board now, that number is just going to continue to increase. But currently it's comfortably 20 hours a month. The ease of use and the reliability. I can have multiple members of my team implement these reports and software with barely any training because it's easy just to duplicate what's already been done for other instances of Xero. I guess if you're looking to automate and combine reports from multiple pieces of software in one place, Coupler is exactly what you need.